The door's been under tension now for 2 nights. I added an extra 60 pounds of sand to each corner last night. Let's take all the weight off and see how it looks. It's still a good inch and a half out of flat, but I guess that's the best I can do with the materials I had on hand. I'm going to go ahead with it as is, and I'll just have to adjust the frame to fit. I've hung the door on its hinges, but as we know, the door is not straight or flat, so I've got a few things I got to work out. What I'm going to do is disconnect this post, close the door, and then screw the post in place. That way I can get the best possible fit to this door. I've got the door set roughly in place and adjusted the column so that the door will close, and I've scribed a line where I need to cut the door to make it fit. Now that I'm looking at it, I think I'm going to tighten up the top and cut the door a little bit more. Well, there you go. A crooked little door for a crooked little house. I kicked down a lot of the backfill when I was working on the roof. I need to pile that back up, so I'm going to go ahead and do some wheelbarrow work while you just sit here and enjoy the music and the clouds. Well, I was inside working and I didn't see a thunderstorm approaching. And kind of snuck up on me. Pretty much soaked everything with sleet and slush. Oh well, I guess it's time to take a break.